The world is big and beautiful. Gorgeous small towns aren't particularly hard to find, though many do require quite a bit of effort to reach. Of all the lovely locales in every corner of the globe, some spots have a picturesque quality and presence that make them truly unmissable. Regardless of where these small towns sit on the notoriety scale, all are worth traveling even great distances to see with your own eyes. 5. Gourds, France. It tends to be swarming with tourists during the summer months, but can you really blame visitors for wanting to soak in the magic of one of the most beautiful villages in France, if not the world? Perched high on a cliff above the valley, it's a must-see destination with cobbled lanes, churches, and a monastery punctuated by lavender fields that look like they've been plucked from the pages of a storybook. 4. Jethawarne, Netherlands. This idyllic village in the northeastern Dutch province of Overijssel is lauded for its hand-dug canals, 176 bridges that connect the small island to the mainland, foot and bike paths, and thatched roof houses dating back to the 18th century. 3. Steppensmenda, Georgia. It's fabled for its 14th century Jesuit Trinity Church that's set at an elevation of 7,119 feet above sea level and the mammoth snow-covered peak of Mount Kazbek. This valley village also swirls with ancient mythology, which only adds to its mystique. 2. Oia, Greece. There's a reason, many, that tourists flock to Oia on the northwestern tip of Santorini each summer, turning this sleeping little fishing village into a bona fide hotspot. Yes, the sheer number of holidaygoers draws criticism from locals and longtime visitors, but it's hard to fault anyone for wanting to catch sight of the whitewashed Cyclades houses clinging to the cliffs, sparkling Aegean Sea, famous caldera, and sherbet-hued sunsets. Before we reveal the top entry on our list, please consider subscribing to our channel to stay informed about our latest videos for the week. And at number 1, Cherrapunji, India. In an entirely different world from the non-stop chaos of major cities like Mumbai and Kolkata, Cherrapunji, also known as Sora, shows off a far more serene side of India. This high-altitude small town in the East Khasi Hills of the northeast Indian state of Meghalaya is prized for its living root bridges, magnificent waterfalls, and lush forests. How does Cherrapunji stay so green all the time? It's one of the wettest places on the planet, with an average annual rainfall of approximately 450 inches.